The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT is not just a motorcycle, it's a rolling statement of luxury, performance, and technological innovation. As Honda's flagship touring machine, the Goldwing has long been the benchmark for long-distance comfort and engineering excellence. With the introduction of the GCT, Honda takes the tradition even further, offering a refined riding experience tailored for the modern Grand Tourer. GCT, short for Grand Comfort Touring, is more than just a trim level, it's a philosophy. It represents Honda's commitment to redefining luxury on two wheels while retaining the iconic spirit that's made the Goldwing a legend for nearly 5 decades. Engine and performance, smooth power, effortlessly delivered. At the core of the 2025 Goldwing GCT is the legendary 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed, and engineered for silky smooth power delivery. This year, Honda has refined the throttle response, making acceleration feel even more natural and linear across all riding modes. The engine produces around 125 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque, but it's not just about raw numbers. It's the way this bike moves, effortlessly, quietly, and with confidence, that defines the Goldwing experience. Coupled with Honda's seamless 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the GCT delivers uninterrupted shifts, whether you're cruising the interstate or climbing through winding mountain passes. Comfort and ergonomics, first class on two wheels. Comfort has always been the Goldwing's signature trait, and the GCT continues that legacy with subtle but important upgrades. The seat has been redesigned with new memory foam inserts for better pressure distribution over long rides. Both the rider and passenger benefit from a new, ventilated backrest design that improves airflow on hot days. The riding position remains upright and relaxed, with wide bars and floorboards designed to reduce fatigue. Suspension duties are handled by a double wishbone front end and single-sided ProLink rear setup, both tuned for optimal compliance and minimal chassis feedback. Whether you're riding solo or two-up with luggage, the Goldwing GCT offers a ride quality comparable to a luxury car. Technology, innovation that serves the rider. The 2025 Goldwing GCT pushes the envelope when it comes to motorcycle technology. The centerpiece is an upgraded 10.5-inch full-color TFT display, now brighter and more responsive than before. It features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and voice command integration. Honda has also introduced a new, Smart Touring Assistant system, a semi-autonomous ride mode that includes adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, and road sign recognition. These features, previously found only in high-end automobiles, bring a new level of safety and convenience to two-wheel travel. In addition, the GCT now includes wireless helmet-to-bike communication and real-time weather and traffic updates through a dedicated mobile app. Audio and infotainment, a symphony on the road. Honda continues to raise the bar in the audio department. The 2025 GCT features a 4-speaker premium surround system developed in collaboration with a leading audio brand, offering crystal-clear sound even at highway speeds. Riders can stream music, make hands-free calls, and use voice navigation without removing their gloves or looking down. The sound system automatically adjusts volume based on speed and ambient noise levels, ensuring that audio quality remains pristine regardless of conditions. Dual USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and built-in Sirius XM radio round out the infotainment suite, turning the cockpit into a true entertainment hub. Storage and touring features, built for the long haul. No touring bike is complete without smart storage solutions, and the 2025 Goldwing GCT delivers in spades. The saddlebags and top trunk now offer a combined 115 liters of storage, enough for full-face helmets, gear, and more. The top case is electrically actuated with a soft close function, and all luggage compartments are now keyless, operated via the smart fob or touchscreen. Additional conveniences include heated grips, heated seats for both rider and passenger, and an electronically adjustable windscreen that remembers your preferred height. Honda has also improved wind deflection with revised fairings and winglets, reducing turbulence around the legs and shoulders. Ride quality and handling, surprisingly agile. Despite its large footprint and weight, the Goldwing GCT handles with surprising agility. The double wishbone front suspension isolates road imperfections while keeping the front end stable and responsive, allowing the bike to corner with confidence. Revised damping settings for 2025 improve performance on twisty roads without sacrificing comfort. The low center of gravity, courtesy of the flat 6-engine layout, helps the Goldwing feel planted at all times, even when fully loaded. Honda's integrated braking system and selectable ride modes, Tour, Sport, Rain, and Econ, let riders adapt the bike's behavior to a wide variety of conditions and preferences. Design and aesthetics, timeless meets modern. Visually, the 2025